Reynolds at 156, number 1, runway 21, clear to land.
Runway 21, clear to land. Reynolds at 156.
Cessna 43 Kilo, roger. Caution wake turbulence from the arriving Challenger off your right wing. Runway 21, clear touch and go. Number 3, follow them Cirrus.
Alright, clear touch and go on 21, following Cirrus, forward to go.
Reynolds at 156, turn right Alpha 5, taxi straight across 2 Ross, monitor ground point 6 today. Citation 3280 Mike, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, clear to land.
21, clear to land, ATR Mike. Scottsdale Tower, hello, Citation 32, Juliet Fox 6300, visual 21.
Citation 32, Juliet Fox, Scottsdale Tower, near the right base, runway 21, clear to land.
Right base 21, clear to land, Citation 32, Juliet Fox.
Citation ATR Mike, turn around and L5, straight in for us, that's good. Will do. Merlin 227 Juliet Tango, Scottsdale Tower, and go to the right base, runway 21, clear to land.
Right base 21, clear to land, Merlin 7 Juliet Phenom.
Scottsdale for the formation, Mike is turned, altimeter 2.89. Merlin 7 Juliet Tango, stay parking. Merlin 7 Juliet Tango, you can turn right 1, able taxi to gate 1 via Alpha monitor ground. And from right, Mike, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land 21, here, Mike. Scottsdale Tower, Twilight 96, visual approach, runway 21.
And Twilight 96, Scottsdale Tower, you can go to the right base, runway 21, clear to land. Number 3 following a Bonanza, about 4 northwest of Field, right base.
Enter right base, runway 21, clear to land, Twilight 96.
Okay, 120 Juliet Lima, Scottsdale, hold short, runway 21. And from right, Mike, stay parking.
I go there, week tonight, Mike.
From right, Mike, you can turn right 1, able tag the lead via Alpha monitor ground.
Alpha monitor ground, Mike.
Citation 550, Whiskey Golf, Scottsdale Tower, you know the right base, runway 21, clear to land.
Right base 21, clear to land, 8 Whiskey Golf. Scottsdale Tower, helicopter 166 Golf here, with the runway capture, that's fully departure with me.
Helicopter 166 Golf Sierra, Scottsdale Tower, low departure crew, departure to the net, beach on risk. Citation 8 Whiskey Golf, stay parking. Citation 8 Whiskey Golf, you can taxi signature via Bravo monitor ground.
Scottsdale Tower, Jet 592 on the visual 21.
And Jet 592, Scottsdale Tower, near the right base, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 21, Jet 592. Yeah, Scottsdale Tower, helicopter 166 Golf Sierra, about 5 to your north for a Lloyd North arrival with Mike back to the Greenway taxiway.
Helicopter 166 Golf Sierra, Scottsdale Tower, loader approved, letter rep, beach on risk.
6 Golf Sierra.
And Jet 592, you can turn left 1, able tag signature via Bravo monitor ground. Y'all have a good.
Alright, left 1 able, Bravo.
Stampede 562, Scottsdale Tower, you know the right base, runway 21, clear to land.
Right base 21, clear to land, Stampede 5. Oh, Scottsdale, Jet Link 400, just checking on with you for visual 21.
Jet Link 400, Scottsdale, you know the right base, runway 21, clear to land.
Alright, so right base, and we're clear to land, runway 21, Jet Link 400.
Stampede 562, you can turn right on Alpha 5 straight in for customs, y'all have a good.
Alpha 5.
Executive 806, follow citation on a 2-mile final, runway 21, clear to land.
Okay, follow traffic, we're still looking for them, and clear to land, runway 21, Executive 806.
Scamjet 506, traffic is heading to your right, northbound 3100 is Cessna, they're going to stay there for you, and they have you in sight.
Alright, looking for them, Scamjet 506.
Again, we got 506. If you want to just widen out a little bit to the left to give you a little extra room to get down, then I'll have lower for you here in just a second.
All right, thanks. We'll widen out a little bit here.
Exit 806, pass your signature via Bravo, monitor ground point 6 today.
Bravo, monitor ground, exit 806.
Cessna 409 additional traffic just west of Pinnacle Peak inbound for right base of the Phenom 5000 descending.
Yeah, we got their landing light in sight. Should be no factor, 400 Juliet.
Visit 304, traffic will pass to your left and no factor, runway 21 clear to land.
Clear land 21 traffic, That means Scottsdale Tower, 125 Delta Tango inbound visual 21.
Global 125 Delta Tango, Scottsdale Tower, and a right base runway 21.
And a right base runway 21, South Delta.
Exit 304, turn left, taxi to signature via Bravo, monitor ground point 6.
Bravo to Tango, monitor ground.
Citation 8 with Sea Golf, again turn right heading 285, contact Phoenix departure audio.
285, see Wednesday, 8 Whiskey Gun.
Cessna 508, runway 21 clear to land.
Runway 21 clear to land, Cessna 508.
Scottsdale Tower, Juliet X-ray, Alpha Senegal, 4000, descending, visual approach, left to runway 21.
X-ray Alpha Alpha India Golf, Scottsdale Tower, make left traffic, runway 21.
Left traffic, 21, Alpha.
Cessna 508, take parking. Cessna 508, taxi straight in at Alpha 5 and remain this frequency. Good day.
Cessna 508. Scottsdale Tower, 49 Hotel Juliet, with you and ground for 21 mission.
49 Hotel Juliet, Scottsdale Tower, keep the speed up, runway 21 clear to land.
21 clear to land, it will keep the speed up, 49 Hotel Juliet. Scottsdale Tower, Gulfstream, 1 Tango Delta with you on a visual runway 21.
Gulfstream 1 Tango Delta, Scottsdale Tower, follow HondaJet, 4 mile final, runway 21 clear to land.
Follow HondaJet for 1 Tango Delta, clear to land.
Hotel Juliet, it'll be a left turn and then left on Bravo in at Bravo 12. You can remain this frequency. Good day.